Hi, my name is Ivy and I'm a makeup artist, and I've never showed you the thing that I do to end almost every single makeup application that I do on clients. And I thought, how silly, wouldn't you like to know this too? So let me show you this very easy, quick little trick. All you need is your lipstick that you're going to use on your look and a little brush. I have two different lipstick colors here because I'm going to show you how it works with both. One is more of a neutral and one's a little bit more of a bold lipstick. So I want to show you how to use both. They are both from Merit. So the first one, I'm going to do the more neutral one first. This is the color Baby, and I feel like this is probably one of their top sellers. That very universal pinky nude. These are matte lip colors, so I do find this trick, it's not a trick, it's not gonna be a trick, I'm about to tell you how to do it. I find this technique works best with matte lipsticks. So we're going to apply our lipstick. I usually would do a lip liner, but since I'm just showing you the overall technique, we're just gonna go straight from the tube. So I'm gonna look at my mirror over here. I'm going to apply Baby first. All right, as you can see on me, this is a really, really natural lip. It doesn't really look like much color, but I still want to show you how to do this with this very light color. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pretend this is my makeup palette, because I always work off of a palette when I'm doing clients' makeup. So I will take what's left on my palette, which is what I applied their lip color from, and before I wipe it off, we're not gonna waste that product, we're going to dip a little brush in there. And I'm going to put it on my cheeks, which this is going to add a little color, which I almost always feel is necessary after I do the lips, but it also ties this whole look together because it's the same color, right? You could even do this if you need to grab a little bit more. So yeah, we're basically using your lip color as a cream blush, but I don't want you to think that's it. You did not come to the video just for that. I'm going to show you one other place to use it. Before you are done with that lip color, you could take a smaller brush for this. For this purpose, I'm going to keep using this. This is the Real Techniques setting brush. It's a really good one to have. So before we're done, I'm going to sweep it through the crease of the eye, and you can even bring it like out a little bit just to make sure that color is really incorporated everywhere in the look. And I think this looks like really fresh, really pretty, feels very intentional, you know, when you see that same color as a wash everywhere. Now I'm going to show you how to do it with a much more bold color, so you know you don't have to just use these like neutral colors. All right, we're going to do the same technique with a more bold color. This is also from Merit. The color is called Fashion. And if you have green eyes like me, this is a really good color for you. But you can wear it with any eye color, of course. All right, this is Fashion, and as you can see, much more bold, but don't worry, it's still going to work for this technique. And as a side note, these lipsticks smell really, really good. All right, so I put some of the Fashion on my hand, which again, if you were a makeup artist, this might be what was left over on your palette. Working my little setting brush in there. I'll try to hold this out so you can see. And granted, this is brighter, but I like this type of cheek. To me, this looks really pretty in the winter or fall. This kind of gives that look of like in from the cold flush cheek. So same thing over here. A cooler tone color for sure, right? And yes, we can still add this to the eye area, mixing it with my hair there. It's kind of where the blush is wrapping around your cheekbone. It's draped on your cheekbone. So yeah, that's a really easy thing you can do with any existing lipsticks that you own. Granted, I use the Merit ones. Like I said, they smell really good. They come in a lot of flattering, easy to wear colors, but feel free to use this with any color you have. Try it out. Let me know if you like it. And if you want more little quick bite-sized tips like this, let me know in the comments below. Thank you. See you later.